Welcome to this video about Vexor Connect. In this video, we will look at how to create your account for Vimeo, which is the service that is used to upload and manage videos. And we'll look at how to switch between teams, and finally, how to upload content. As a client, when you're onboarded to Vexor Web Player Connect, a Vimeo account will already have been set up for you, and the standard layout will be as you see here. This is the home page of logging into Vimeo, and this is how the folders are looking. Please note that we currently have a QA folder. That folder will likely be deleted shortly after you take over ownership of the account. To get started with the account, an invite will be sent to you. As we can see from the example, I've used a temporary email account to simulate inviting a user. Let's have a look at how that flow looks with me accepting the invite. Initially, let's take a look at how an invite looks. When you receive the invite, it'll look something like this. Invitation to join, review. Review is the name of the folder that you're invited to in Vimeo. We'll come back to that later. Jamie is the name of the member from the Vexor team who invited you. Accepting the invite is as simple as clicking View Project. This is no matter if you already have a Vimeo account or do not have a Vimeo account. Let's take a look at how creating a new account from scratch will look in Vimeo. We've now logged out of Vimeo and I've copied the invite link from the email. In your case, you would likely just click the link in the email and it'll take you straight to this site. Vimeo then asks you to do a first name and last name. It has automatically filled out the email that the invite was sent to, and will now set a password. Now you have the option to join with email or join with Google. If you do have a Google account that you use for other single sign-on purposes, it is possible for you to use this. Just please note that when joining with Google, you'll have to go back into the invite email once again and accept the invite once more to be able to go to the team. If you join via email, it'll take you straight to the team switcher, as I'll show you in a second. Now we have our so-called team switcher. You have the option to select yourself, which would be your first name and last name, and you have the option to select the team that you've been invited to. You can see when you hover the team that you are a contributor. This means that you can upload content into the folder that you've been invited to. Let's try and click the team. As you can see, you now have access to one folder. If you recall back from the beginning of the video, we had several folders available. But since this user was only invited to be able to see the production folder, this is the only folder that user has access to. This can be very powerful if you want to utilize the review folder for all of your trainers, where they upload content into, and you as an admin then have the opportunity to verify that content and move it over into production. The production folder is the folder that'll be connected to the Vexor web player, where other folders can be used for review and for archiving old videos. Uploading a video is very easy. Simply click into the folder that you have access to, and you have several prompts to upload a new video. You have new video up here, you can upload here, and you also have new video up here. Furthermore, you can simply drag and drop anywhere from your Mac or your PC if you already have a video prepped. In this case, I'll use the drag and drop feature from a video that I've prepared. As you can see, I now have my folder open which contains the videos that I want to upload to Vimeo. I simply mark, drag, and drop the video that I want to upload. As you can see, an upload prompt appears, and the upload is now complete. That changes the view of the production folder, and you can see that it has now changed status to transcoding. We can click the video and utilize this time while we wait. We can give it a name, and we can give it a description. Remember to press save once you've done this. In the meantime, you can see that it's been converted 100%, and we will now see the starting frame of the video. If we save it and we scroll down, there's a lot of options here that should be edited in case they are not up to standard. First of all, this video needs to be hidden from Vimeo. Additionally, you can disable embedding. Even though commenting won't be an issue, we can change comments to no one. Furthermore, you can decide if people can download this video or if people can add it to collections. We suggest applying the following settings. Scrolling even further down, you have some options that requires you to upgrade, but these are not for the Vector Connect integration. Finally, you want to press save again to save your settings. We can now close this tab and we can refresh our view to get an update. Now you can see we have our workout number 1. It was added a few seconds ago, and we have a frame to indicate that it's transcoded. This video in the production folder is now ready to be consumed on your Vector Connect instance.